Hey friends, it's me, Jess, and welcome back to another studio vlog. My son Benson and I always start our day off by going out into our vegetable garden and now fruit garden to see if there's anything that needs to be picked for today. And
I haven't checked the garden with you.
Not yet. We're gonna go outside and check to see if we have anything growing. Okay, let's go. I am so disappointed right now. I got my order from IKEA finally. I've been waiting for the shelves for the Besta units, these little units right here. I have been waiting and waiting for the shelves to get here, and they finally got here, and they're almost all broken. Well, like half of them are broken. Like they have like crush injuries. I don't even know. And I am so upset because I've been waiting for so long for them. And also they don't have them at my local store. So now I have to figure out how to return half of them and then like try to reorder again and hope they're not broken. I don't know, but I'm so frustrated. I just wanted to be able to like finish. I've got like stuff on the floor still on the other side of my desk from like not being able to organize it because I don't have the shelves in. I was really hoping that this week was going to be the week that the floor was going to be clean. I guess not. All right, I was able to get the shelves that weren't broken put in. So I should be able to at least put some stuff away, but look how good this is going to look. I am so excited. I realize that they're not actually quite even. The bottom shelves are at two different heights. I don't think it really matters, but I'm so excited to be able to put stuff in here, and I think they look so nice, and I absolutely love the whole like frosted glass thing. I just think it looks so cool. Yay! I just got a package. I'm so super excited. It's got some inks from Maker Forte. So if you guys do not know, Maker Forte is the company where I am a signature designer, and I illustrate stamp sets to be released under my name and their name. And these are some colors of ink pads that they just came out with. Oh, good Lord. So there's Acid Wash, Purple Rain, and Raw Skirt. So those are the 3 colors. And then the really exciting stuff, I'm not really supposed to show you. Maybe I'll do like a little sneak peek. I don't know. These are my new stamps and stencils, you guys. So this is the stuff that is going to come out at the end of this month. So in May, you're getting like a super secret sneak peek. But I can't wait to unpack these and start playing. I'm also using these for my Hedgehog Hollow Days presentation. I'm working on filming that this week. So I can't wait to show you guys what all is in here. Yay! All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and leave the studio vlog here. I know it was a lot of card making this time. I feel like it's a little unbalanced sometimes, but that's kind of how it goes. Sometimes I do a lot of filming and editing and like videos and stuff. And sometimes I do a lot of other stuff. So it kind of varies. The next week I will kind of have a focus on my filming that I've done for my Hedgehog Hollow Days. I've got some illustration deadlines coming up that I need to work on. I have like a card making summit that I'm a part of that I'm gonna figure out. I did want to mention in my last studio vlog, I was having trouble with my camera setup, and I had 2 cameras that were the same. I did figure out how to fix that, but it took a lot of like troubleshooting and like just trying to figure all of that out. So I did get it to work. I'm still using both of my webcams and it seems to be working perfectly, but I had to like go into like a registry edit and change the name of one of them so that it would stop getting confused in my recording software. It was a hot mess. It took a long time to figure out, but I did figure it out. So I wanted to let you guys know. So that's all good. I was able to use that for my Michael's class, and everything seems to be good. Sorry, like I said, that this was kind of like card making, editing heavy. I've been a little busy this week doing, I don't know if you guys know, but I stream on Twitch. A lot of times I just play video games, and I do some art and things like that over there as well. Like I do my emote commissions there a lot of times. But I joined a stream team called Team SideQuest, and the focus of that team is charity and fundraising. And so this month for May, we are raising money for St. Jude. And so I have been doing a whole lot of like preparation and things like that, getting ready for fundraising and doing like really wild incentives and things, like really silly stuff like eating baby food, and like marshmallow tongue twisters and playing blindfolded for my video games, all sorts of fun stuff, all for like raising money for the kids. So if you guys ever want to come out and hang out with me over on Twitch, I'll put the link on the screen here so you guys can see it, or at least my Twitch name or whatever. And you guys are always welcome to come hang out if that's your cup of tea. If not, that's okay too. But yeah, just another way to connect when I'm not doing videos. So yeah, I'm going to leave the vlog here. I hope I will see you guys again next week. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I can't word. Anyway, love you guys. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.